Hi, I'm Arpita. Welcome to FinMentors. This is a space where we talk everything about women entrepreneurship. So, our today's topic is 5 secret productivity tips which can actually boost your level. Number 1, plan your day ahead. Please, it is very, very important to understand what will be your next day planning. Just do not get up in the morning and feel blank. That is the worst thing to do. You will be wasting your time, you will be wasting your energy, and you will be wasting your potential ability. Always plan your day ahead. In the evening, plan it for the next day. Next day, what are the tasks you need to do? Always believe in the concept of time blocking. Once you block time, you start putting all your energy in the right work and you focus accordingly. But if you do not block your time, you will just be doing one work for a long period of time. You won't value time then. See, we cannot manage our time, but yes, we can manage our level of productivity. We all have 24 hours in a day. But how all the successful people are managing? Did you ever realize? They all are managing everything in 24 hours. It is all about how they plan. You need to plan your day accordingly. You will never ever get your time back. So make the best use of it. Plan your day ahead and see what are the things you can do the next day. So that is how you plan your day ahead. Number 2, that we all do not do it. And that is saying no often. Please start saying no. But to say no, you'll have to know what is the yes. So you need to have clarity, and you can only have clarity when you have a good planning. So as I said, plan your day ahead. Next day, when you are sure about the job you will be doing, you know when to say no. Saying no is a very, very important skill. You will have to learn how to say no. It doesn't mean you need to be rude or you need to be disrespectful towards someone. You'll have to know how to say no. Plan your day ahead, build your own task, prioritize things in your life, and that is how you will automatically start knowing when to say no. Number 3, start delegating work. Every time we all try to do things on our own. We think we'll take care of the home, we'll take care of the children, we'll take care of the family. Please stop doing everything on yourself. Build an ecosystem. People need help of other people. Put certain things on automation. Plan your life, design your life the way you want it. Nowadays, everything can be customized, right? You need to customize your life also. You cannot afford to do everything. Prioritize your work. See where you really need your presence. Use your energy there, not everywhere. Your presence is not needed everywhere. Understand that. Start delegating work. Take the help of other people. And that is how you improve your efficiency. That is how you become more productive. Next is, get this idea of being a perfectionist. Perfection like something doesn't exist. Every individual has different perspective towards perfection. So you cannot say this is perfect. This is perfect for me, it might not be perfect for you. So this is something which is very subjective. Do not focus all your energy on being a perfectionist. Keep doing a thing. If you have started with something, just keep doing it. Once you do something again and again, you automatically develop that skill. So from day one, please do not try to do something where you give all your energy and then you just give up because you get so tired and exhausted of trying to make yourself perfect. Don't get into this perfect mode. Just keep doing it. Number 5, is the biggest tip I can give you, that is do nothing. Create a day in a week where you just do nothing. That is the day to recreate and rethink. Now, people do not pay importance to this day. They feel like, I'm just idle, I'm not doing anything. Yes, you are not doing anything, but your brain is working. So please give time to your brain to replenish. Once you stop doing everything, you will see you are coming up with new ideas. And that is also a practice. Maybe the first day it won't happen, but gradually it will start happening. You will see a lot of different ideas are coming up. Please note down all your ideas. So that's a day of recreating. Sometimes many of the important tasks are being done where it is not even an important day. And when it is not even a working day also. You start getting all the tasks done on your mind. You start getting lot of different ideas to do one thing. You start getting ideas of the projects or the task where you have been stuck up for a long period of time because your brain was constantly occupied. So free it. One day in a week, just don't do anything. Relax, think, recreate. And that is how you come up with lot more ideas. I'm sure this video has helped you in some way. Please do comment below and be connected.